Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows cannot connect to printer. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are trying to connect a shared network printer and you are unable to connect that shared printer and you are getting the error Windows could not connect to printer and the error code is 0x0000011b, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to go to the PC1 from where the printer has been shared from your host PC. First you have to go to your host PC, just click on the start menu, then type here regedit. You can see a registry editor, just click on this, click on this to allow. In this you can see an HK local machine. You need to double click and expand. After that double click and expand the system. After that double click and expand current control set. After that you can see here control, double click and expand. In this you need to find print. You can see here print, just click on this print, come to the right section, right click on that, click on new d.32 value and rename the file as rpc capital R PC AUTHN level LEVEL privacy enabled. Guys, you need to copy same like this, like capital R and in between capital A and in between capital L and capital E, like this you need to find and double click on that and make sure the value should be 0. Then click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your PC, the PC1, the host PC, you have to restart. After restart, then go to your client PC, which is PC2, then try to connect your printer from the networks. Just open the file explorer, here you can see networks, just click on that and try to connect to your shared printer from here. After trying still you are facing the issue, then you have to do the same registry editing and you have to create same registry editor file like what you have done on the PC1 on the host file. On your host PC, what you have done, you have to do same in your PC2 as well. After doing that, you have to restart both the PCs and try to connect. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows cannot connect to the printer and the error code is 0x0000011b. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.